and let's go. Okay, so check this out. I think I find one of the best copy trader out there. So this guy is making, he made actually, if you can see here, what is very, very sick and crazy, 1,376% APR in exactly 476 days. They are how many people? 1,100 people, 11,436 people follow this guy. As I am aware, they are over $32 million who are invested, who are copy basically his trades. That is freaking sick. Okay, so is this the golden goose? It's look like. So okay, let's talk about this one. Let's see what is my opinion, how much I'm getting in, when did I join, how to join, and all that stuff. So but before please understand that this is not financial advisor. This is crypto, it's DeFi. Basically it's not crypto here, it's he's trading on Forex, so he's not using any crypto. However, everything what I'm saying here is only my personal opinion. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. I'm showing only my crypto journey. What you want to do with your money is your own problem. This is the golden rule in DeFi, that never put more money, or in general in investment, don't put more money you can afford to lose. Always spread the risk, always take profit, stay safe. If you use crypto, use ledger. Okay, now again, let's go back. Okay, I don't want to keep this video too long because this is slightly complex. So we all know, I'm not sure if you know, what was the name, let me just see. BingX. Okay, we all know it's basically it's a platform when there are a lot of traders there, and you can go ahead, sign up after them, and you can copy paste their trades. But it's all automatic. Okay, and if they make money, you make money. If you lose money, you lose money too. So there are two ways. There are two ways when you copy paste somebody. So okay, so there are two main things we need to focus. Okay, and what is that? Okay, first of all, we need the good trader. If we find shitty trader, we lose everything. If we find good trader with trading history, okay, that's the main stuff. So this guy have over trading history 476 days right here, where we can see every single trade what he made for the last 16 months. Okay, so first we need to find good trader, okay, who is not just shitty and losing money. And second, we need to find some kind of platform where he's trading, where we can deposit and withdraw, and it's normal platform. Okay, so this guy at the moment he's using Robo Forex. I never heard about this one till last week. So Robo Forex, it's a platform who is 12 years old. Okay, and this guy is one of the top traders there, one of the first 10 traders there. It's I don't know. I never use it, so I deposit some money. I make tutorial how to get in. I'm on Medium article. I use one of the other YouTubers. I asked him. He gave me permission to copy paste his. I just put some of my referral links there, and I will show you how to get in if you are interested. Now, so the first one we find the trader. The second one is the platform. Now I was checking the platform. You know, you need to do your own research. I was checking up. And if you go and check, okay, I was checking like reviews and all that stuff. You can go and check if you want, okay, do your own research, okay. So here, RoboForex, so here it's 3.8 stars, okay, for 500 votes, 450 votes. On Trustpilot, there are 2.7, and I was read almost 100 reviews I read. Most of the reviews have problems with the traders. So they find a trader, he loses the money, and then they want to withdraw and they're stuck. So that's a big issue. I got some issues logging in and all this stuff with this platform. I think I lost my password, not lost, I forgot my password, like whatever. They come back to me, all was sorted. I opened a couple of tickets, all was sorted in a couple of days. I did deposit, it was deposited in 20 minutes. I did not withdraw yet. Okay, I will do that probably in a week time. So if you want to wait me for a week, 2 weeks, feel free to wait me till I do the window and see if everything is working fine. So go and do your research. But the very interesting stuff is, if you go to Google Play, you will see that they are over 1 million downloads, okay, and there are 13,000 reviews, 4.6 stars, okay. So I didn't check the reviews, but 4.6 stars, it's a lot from 13,000 reviews, okay. Now there always be negative people, not negative, sorry, not happy and all this, but we must see if working or not. So the good stuff is the guy who I joined under, he is here for the last 5 weeks. The guy who is under him is here for the last 5 months, and they put hundreds and hundreds of people. And I spoke with him this morning, and his name is Paul. He's a YouTuber, and he says, Phil, I don't have so far from all these couple of hundred people who are in our team. We never have any issue withdrawing money. I said, oh, great, so that's good to know. So that's what I know, and that's what I'm sharing with you. Again, I did not withdraw any money. Okay, so that's about the platform. Okay, so I did a little research. That's what I was able to find out. So the platform is called Forex. Okay, so this is the trader. If you go there, it's a little bit complex, but let me just show you. So this is the trader right here. Okay, this is the trader. You can see everything. This is his real name right here, David Franke, 93. He's born in 1993. By the way, he had. I'll put the link from this one. It's AMA in English, and he's a German, by the way. He lives in Dubai, and please watch the first 30 minutes. It's 1 hour. Go on 1.5 speed if needed, but watch the first 30 minutes. If you decide to get in, highly recommend go and watch his first 30 minutes. He explained everything. He's using Forex for 7 years. He's been extremely professional, as I understand from the AMA. For the last 4 years, he's blow up, extremely blow up. Okay, so but the main stuff for me was how many people they follow him, and how many, there are 11,000, and how many days, 476 days he is right here in this account. Okay, but I think he's been trading here for over 4 years, as I understand, or 7 years. He's been also 4 years he's trading, and 7 years he started 7 years ago. There we go, that was the one. Okay, so this is his Instagram right here. Go and find him. It's more in German, and this is his Telegram. I'm not sure how active they are. Now, there are a few things you need to know. Okay, here you can see everything, how you can pick up the date from the 1st of 23rd. Okay, and here how, let's say it was 1,000%, and till 2 months 1,270. So he made 276% profit. Okay, in 2 months time. Total profit, you can see everything, account balance, what was the account balance, and all that stuff. Now here you can see all his trades. Everything is right here. What he's buying, what he's selling, he's closing the trades every single day. Go and watch the video, okay? Because go and watch his AMA. Now this video becoming too long. Let me explain you how to get in if you're interested. I think this guy is the golden goose. So I put some money, okay? And if you see how much I put, I'll do a couple of more videos. You will see I start with 600 bucks, and he made me the first day 23 bucks profit. He made 3%. That was crazy. That's not normal. Okay, that's not usually not normal. But here you can see all the profits, what he did, what he done, what he bought, what he sold, and everything. Everything's here. Make sure when you go in here, make sure you use for change the date. So I top up yesterday 1,000 more, I believe. Sorry, yesterday. So in 2 days he made me 40 bucks. 40 bucks in 2 days. So if you change here, you will see till today I top up my account last night more, because and this is the open trades. Now you can see because I don't know, I just deposit a little bit more just to see how it's going to go. Okay, almost 10 minutes. Let's see how you can join. So I made a medium article. Okay, so very important. This is the link. Once you get there, okay, once you go there, you will come, once you click the link, you will come to this account, to right here. When you go here, go to open account. When you go to open account, they want to trick a little bit. Okay, so I'm in UK, so make sure you press here, I have partner code, okay, and put here my code. All right, so make sure, there you go, you put there, I believe it was EODA. So that's my code, all right? So right there. Make sure you put 1, 2, 3. Go register. Let me just see. Okay, get out. Your country was the United Kingdom. Still in the court. No, I don't want it. Never mind. Okay, so basically go to register and so on and so on. Okay, so that is very, very important. Everything I explain in the Medium article. Okay, so go and read it. I hope everything is explained. It's basically I use from Paul. I just changed some of the things. Make sure when you get registered, when you go there, once you get registered, okay, you need to create account. Okay, when you create an account, make sure you add my affiliate code again there. That is very important if you want. Next thing, actually, you must put affiliate code, I guess, or not. Next thing is please make sure I was not able to open trading account before I deposit some money. Then I need to deposit. So very important stuff is I was I don't think it's able to. The only way to deposit money is using by this type, Revolt, bank transfer, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa, Mastercard. So this is not for Americans. Remember that. If you live in USA, it's not for you. There are a lot of countries who are restricted. I don't know why. I think there are some kind of things with the license and all this stuff. I don't know, but just don't get registered. Don't send money if you're USA. You cannot withdraw your money, I believe. I don't think even you can get registered. So make sure you understand that. Make sure you play around. If you go in with a little bit, $100, see how it is. Minimum is 100, but by the way, and so on and so on. Okay, and then just follow the Medium article. Everything explained there. And then once you get registered, once you do some deposit, create your account, then you must use this link to join the trader. Okay, so this is how you join. That's how you join the trader. Okay, that is very, very important. When you join the trader, pick up a proportional. Okay, pick up proportional, go to subscribe to trader, and that's about it. Okay, so let me just see, and that's me right here. This is my address. This is how much money I have. And if you go here, you will see this is my trader. Okay, Wall Street Investments. Okay, that's my trader. That's the guy who we all want. Okay, now if you go to, what is very important is to understand you're going to have two passwords. Okay, one to log in and one for your trading account. When you go to your accounts, when you're going to create account, open real account. Okay, I have two. So make sure you open, wherever you open, keep the password, write it down somewhere. Okay, write that down somewhere. There we go. Put your passport, confirm passport, affiliate code, use my code AODA, and crack on confirm, and then you're going to have your passport. Okay, now that's a very important. Able again to use Visa, Mastercard, and my one of the bank didn't allow me, the second bank allowed me, and it's take 20 minutes for the money to arrive. I put $600 first, and then I put 1,000 more, around 1,000 more, and let's see. And I don't think I'll put any more for now. I just want to see how things going to go, and also I'm waiting money from the PGV. So yeah. Okay, let's see all traders. If you go to all traders, I think if you go by portfolio or by investors, you will see he is top one, Wall Street Invest. Okay, there we go, guys. 476 days. This guy is 669 days. This guy is 1,500 days here. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. This guy is probably maybe need to be checked. This guy is 35 now. So if you find 2,000 days, that's a 7 years right there. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. So if you find some good trader also, let me know, guys. We can always try get a new ones, check them up. Let's see what's happening. Okay, because we need more traders and more platforms like this. Again, don't forget, this is not for Americans. Make double check first. Play with small money. You can get in, get out, and all that stuff. Okay, now that's about it. The video becoming too long, but there's so much to talk. Probably I'll do another video in the next week just to give you my how is everything going. This guy is working Monday till Friday. Don't forget that. He's making around 1% a day. That's his goal. The other day he made 3%. The next day, in 30 minutes, in one day he makes 0.79%, and then he finished. That was 2 weeks ago. So this is right here. This AMA, if you listen, is 3 weeks ago. he had almost 6,000 members, 18 million under him. Today, I think today he have, I just checked when I'm doing this video. I was thinking they're 32 millions, but I think they're over 42 millions bucks, and double the investors who follow him. That's crazy, guys. That's sick and crazy. I really need to check these guys who have been here for a long run, but we need to check how much money they make. Okay, so if this guy make 1000% in 1500 days, this guy make almost the same in 3 times less time. So of course, this guy at the moment is the hot topic. All right, he's the best, he's the beast at the moment. I hope he will last for a long time. Again, do your research, don't put more money you can afford to lose. That's about it. This is my golden egg for the moment, for me, for myself. Thank you so much. Till the next one, I do I and you do.